Hi, I'm Chris Coffey, and I'm on the West40 communications team. We're beyond excited about what the future holds for St. Joseph High School here in Westchester. West40 is a government entity that works as an intermediary between the state of Illinois and dozens of school districts in West Cook County, and we recently purchased St. Joseph High School. Our plan is to renovate the school and turn it into a state-of-the-art learning facility, and we want to be a good neighbor. So let's take a tour inside to see the school as it is now, and we can tell you what we envision for the future. St. Joseph is the ideal choice for West40 to serve students, build strong community connections, and support the governor's commitment to providing education services to youth in need. We foresee about 40 students learning and living here at any given time, and we hope the school is up and running by March of 2024. Dr. Mark Kleisner is West40's executive director.
The governor shared with the state his blueprint for transformation around mental health services, and he sees that as a collaboration of many state agencies. And we've come alongside and said we have the perfect location to provide a safe, respectful, state-of-the-art learning environment for students who have been marginalized for a lot of different reasons.
Keys to this plan include St. Joseph's abundance of classrooms, meeting spaces, a working kitchen, and living quarters. St. Joseph closed in 2021 and it remains mostly in good shape, but we are doing renovation work that includes asbestos abatement, roof repairs, and new windows. We also removed walls to create a larger space in the front of the school, while the refurbished library will receive new lights, new walls, a new floor, and new paint. In case you've been wondering what's happened inside the school since it closed 2 years ago, well, this is some of it. Lots of graffiti in the halls and here in the gymnasium. But don't worry, it will get fixed and we'll clean it up. Replacing all of the broken windows is also a top priority. Meanwhile, we've installed new exterior lights, and in the future there will be round-the-clock staff on site. On the north end of the property, the original St. Joseph has extensive damage, and we plan to replace it with green space, which could be used by the public and the park district.
So we imagine the space, the huge outdoor space with walking paths, perhaps an outdoor theater, outdoor classrooms, but then internal space for production, coursework, being able to work well with the community. So within a year from now, will be something ready to give back to the community and to partner with our neighbors and those in the surrounding area.
The entire operation will be funded by the state of Illinois. Meanwhile, there's still a lot of work to do, and West40 will keep you updated as we transform St. Joseph into a new state-of-the-art learning facility. Thank you.